Hi, in this video, we will compare Surfer SEO and Linkbot. Both Surfer SEO and Linkbot are on-page SEO tools that help you optimize your website content to rank higher in search results. Surfer SEO is on-page SEO optimization and competitor analysis. If you prioritize in-depth competitor analysis, on-page SEO optimization, and data-driven content planning for higher rankings, then Surfer SEO is best. On Surfer SEO, you can generate briefs with catchy headlines in seconds. Write and optimize content in any language. Ensure the authenticity of your article and avoid potential penalties. Surfer SEO also allows you to integrate with Google Docs, WordPress, Jasper, and more. Surfer SEO does not just generate articles, it also generates traffic. Surfer SEO gives you a 7-day free trial with each plan and starts at $89 per month. On the other hand, Linkbot is an internal linking tool. It helps you improve the way your website's pages are linked together. Linkbot is a 100% automated internal linking tool for more organic traffic, quick Google indexing, improved SEO performance, and converting more visitors. Linkbot analyzes your website's content and creates the most valuable internal links automatically. This helps your website rank higher in search engines, attract more visitors, and convert more leads. Linkbot's comprehensive internal linking report and Linkbot's automated content linking bot provide a complete on-site linking strategy. Linkbot provides a free plan forever and starts at $49 per month. If you want to use both Surfer SEO and Linkbot for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.